This is Patriot in his 1 week Puppy Academy update. Like everybody else again, he was gone away for the hurricane, and so they're back to get started back on track. And these puppies are getting a little warm out. They've been out playing, so this video might be a little bit shorter than some of the others. Patriot, come. It's a good come. Heel. 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 Yes, good job. Heel. Good boy, Patriot. Heel. Heel. Yes, good boy. Stay. Good boy, Patriot. Good boy. Heel. 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 Good boy. Come on, baby. Heel. Good boy. Okay. Patriot, come. Good boy. Heel. Yes. Good job, Patriot. Heel, come on. Heel. Good boy. Stay. Come. Good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy. Heel. Good boy. All right, buddy. Finish it with a down. How about that? Down. Down. Excellent. All right, that's Patriot. And it's 1 week Puppy Academy update. Good boy.